Hello dear ones! Today I would like to introduce my website www.naertru.de. On this page you will find a lot of information and tips about social topics and live on our planet. You can also discover special t-shirt motifs, wacky pieces of jewelry and books from my own publishing house. You can also discover music in songwriter or rocker style on your journey through the Naertru universe. The site is built like a labyrinth or an adventure playground. Not everything can be discovered at first sight. So browse with pleasure in every corner and see what you can conquer for yourself. A few insights into the sites I will give you with this video. Prerequisite for an optional function is a powerful PC, a current browser and a good internet connection, so that the pictures open as quickly as possible. So let's get started. If you have arrived at the selection page, you can see different fonts and pictures here. In general, almost all fonts and pictures are clickable, so you can let off steam by clicking and see everywhere what is behind them. After clicking, most links will open in a new window, so that you can click it away again and again, and the initial window will always be preserved. So you have the best orientation and can discover more things in the initial window and act again from there. On the English Naertru page, under Basics and Actions, you can also find translations in Italian, Spanish and Greek. In the main bar, the meaning of Naertru and how it came to the name is introduced, as well as the idea how we can drive positive change together in our society without having to change our life structures first of all magnificently. You can also get an insight into the selection of merchandise that includes t-shirts, jewelry, and other accessories. You will also find a selection of books for adults as well as for children. A comic book will be added as well. You can get the shirt motifs, if not in stock, on order in almost any desired size. Just ask. For direct orders by email, which do not go over other internet portals, you always get some discount. Also here simply inquire. On the photo and video page, you will find a lot of nature and animal photos, as well as various videos or links to videos. From here, everything is no longer in English or French, but mainly in German. If you have suitable links in your language for the corresponding topic, then let me know. Then I can extend the page accordingly. You can scroll the page quite far down and find countless possibilities to dive further and further into the labyrinth of information. Here you can find an animal video with my own pictures, as well as flower video for flower lovers. All pictures show motifs from the direct environment and show so how particularly various the life can be before our front door. if one looks exactly. On both information sites, they are left to the most diverse topics and tips approximately around the life on this earth. Also, these informations are predominantly in German language. From the selection side, we look at ourselves now still the last left, the shopping advice. With the shopping advice you find a huge number of left which are to facilitate it you to find socially and ecologically meaningful products. Also here you can simply click on the fonts and get the desired information. Here I would be particularly pleased if you would send me some suitable links in your language, as I have not always succeeded in my research due to language barriers. I hope you enjoyed the insight and understood how the site works. I am looking forward to your visit and wish you the best. Best regards, make it good, yours Jan.